Did you know your Android phone can do things most people have never tried? Worry not, because today I'll show you 5 hidden features that will make your phone smarter and easier to use. So the first feature we'll be talking about is a quick access settings, whereby when you want to access the notification panel, you swipe down with one finger. But if you want to access quickly the settings panel, you swipe down with your 2 fingers. You get the notification panel instead of 1 finger that's pushed down just the notification panel. The next feature I want to talk about is one hand mode. This mode allows you to shrink the screen for easier one hand use. So to do this, we go to the settings panel, then we scroll down to advanced features there. Then it depends on the phone you're using. After the advanced features, we scroll down to one hand mode. You say I had already activated it, but if you're not, activate it. So then if you select it, it has options. It shows you can activate it via gesture or button, depending which one you see is convenient. But for me, I'll use the button. Then you exit. So let's assume you're using this app. Okay, you're on ChatGPT and your other hand is occupied and you want to at least control the phone with one hand. So on the home button, depending on your phone, you tap twice. It automatically enters one hand mode. Then on the same mode, you have 2 options. You can switch it either right or left. At the same time, you can adjust it up or down. So it's a very convenient feature, especially when you're occupied. To exit the mode, you just select outside the selection box. Then you're back to your normal use. The next feature we'll be talking about is app pinning. App pinning locks one app on the screen so that no one can exit it. Most of the time you give your phone to somebody to look for something in an app, then you find them going through your phone and checking personal stuff. So to avoid this, you have to activate app pinning, which locks the app. When somebody wants to exit, you have to enter a password. So to do this, go to settings, then you scroll down to security and privacy, depending on the phone you're using. For me, I'm using Samsung, so I'll go to other settings. When you're down, scroll down, you'll see app pinning. For me, it's already activated, so you can activate it. Then you select it, so it shows you pinning is on. Then ask for pattern before unpinning. It depends if you're using a pattern or a fingerprint or whatever. So you activate it, then you exit. So let's go back to the same app I was using. For example, ChatGPT app. So you have given somebody a phone and you wanted him to access one app, but instead, to avoid him going in another app, so you minimize. When in the reasons button, you click on the icon of the app you want to pin. Then you select pin this app. Okay. So no matter what they do, they can't unpin this app. The only way they can unpin it is if they enter a password. So for me, to exit this mode, because I'm using the navigation buttons, I have to hold the back button and the reason button at the same time. So hold them together, task key for a pattern, we enter, boom, you're out of the pin zone. The next feature I want to talk about is Smart Lock. Smart Lock keeps your phone unlocked at trusted places. So it's like when you're at home or when you're connected to a device, that's how smart locks work. So to activate it, you go to settings. In the settings button, you go to lock screen. For me, I go to lock screen, then smart lock. Then you enter your pattern. You're in the smart lock menu. So it has 3 options: on body detection, trusted places, and trusted devices. On body detection happens when you're on the move and you don't want your phone to lock. Maybe you want to use it for a certain reason, so you activate on body detection. So on the move, the phone will be unlocked until you put it down. That's when your phone will be locked again. Then trusted places. Trusted places works whereby you can set a location. When you are at that location or near it, your phone unlocks itself automatically and will still stay unlocked until you leave that place. Then the last one is trusted device. When you talk about trusted devices, you're talking about maybe a smartwatch or a car system that is connected to your phone. So the moment it's connected, your phone remains unlocked until you disconnect it to that device. That's when it will be locked again. So as we finish, let's talk about the split screen. That's my favorite. The split screen helps you in multitasking. Maybe you want to do 2 operations at the same time. That's where the split screen comes in. So for my sake, to set a split screen, you're in the reasons button, and let's say you want to set 2 apps as split screen. The one you want to set, the first app, you long press on it. Depending on the phone you're using, long press on it and drag to the position you want it. If you want the split to be up, you drop it there. So the first split screen will be initialized. So the second one, now you go to your apps like in the normal use. Maybe let me go to settings, then you have your next screen. So this can help you. Maybe you're watching a video on YouTube and you are on WhatsApp chatting, so you can use this mode and it's very convenient, and it saves you a lot of time. Those were 5 hidden Android tricks you can try right now. Which one did you like most? Comment below. And if this video helped you, give it a like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials every week. That's it for now. See you in the next video.